Hey guys! So, who remembers these? Yep, from the dollar section at Target. I'm going to show you how to change them from the fall to the Christmas season. Let's check it out. So we are going to repurpose our lantern that we made. I'll link the card above so that you can easily get to that video and check it out. But we're going to repurpose this to make it more wintry or Christmassy. Now, I saw the miniatures at the Dollar Tree on several hauls, but I was not able to find them. They weren't coming out in mine. So I went ahead and I took my lantern from Target Dollar Tree spot, and I'm going to use it. And I'm just going to kind of create a little scene. So I'm going to put that in there. And then I was looking for the trees from the miniature spot also, and they weren't appearing. So I went to Hobby Lobby while they were having their 50% off. And I got these three. They're a little bit taller, so that's kind of nice too. They're $2.50. And I got some smaller ones for $2, or for $1. They were originally $2. And then I'm going to use the bigger snowballs from the Dollar Tree. It's going to be real simple and real easy. I'm going to try not to hot glue anything down because I want to make sure that I can repurpose this for whatever season and whatever holiday or event that I want to use it for. I'm going to take this little guy. I think we'll move that house up a little bit. We'll put a tree behind it, and I think I want to put a couple of the smaller trees maybe in front of it. So this is another one that's totally customizable. Those are some of the fun ones to do. And also, this would be super fun to do with kids too, because they always have an opinion of what looks good where and what's needed. So that would be a fun thing to just incorporate your kids and have them be able to help you out. In the snow globe video that I just had go up on Wednesday, I added in one of these little snowmen. So I think we're going to go ahead and use one of them in there. We can put him in front of the tree. And then let's add another little tree in there. There we go. So now we have a little scene there. I only got one bag of fake snow, so I'm hoping it covers everything. But let's finish it off for winter and make it snow. I don't plan on taking this little guy in and out to light it and have it lit during the day or anything, so I'm okay if the snow gets in there. I like this also because it's not purely Christmassy, it's wintry and Christmassy. Looks like that was more than enough. We're going to have to pull out our little snowman and set him on top a little bit. Oh, he's too heavy. Maybe it snowed after they made him. Anyhow, there's our winter snow theme for our lantern, our Christmassy winter theme. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you give it a try. Let me know what kind of themes you come out with. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Bye-bye!